is snowing. Look at here. We have a white Christmas. I don't know if it's gonna snow on Christmas Day, but who knows? It may. The way it's going now. Gotta watch my step. I don't want to fall. Oh my gosh. It just started snowing like about an hour and a half ago. Before I got off of work. I got down at 5, so I think it started like at maybe 3:30. And it was funny because it was like, where is the snow? I had made it to Michael's to grab my art supplies. And my cab driver, my Lyft driver, we were talking about how they were like, oh, it's gonna snow, and it still didn't snow. They said it was supposed to get snow at 2 o'clock. It didn't come at 2. But it came like at 3:30 when I got back home. It is here. The snow is here. And I'm out in the snow, you guys. On a date. How about that? Some of us are just crazy like that. Alright, where am I going? Wow, look at this. Oh, look at that. That's cute. I gotta take a picture of that. I'll catch you guys later.